Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning and subscribe, you're most definitely welcome. So actor Carlo Khadebe is asking for help after he has not been working for 3 years. So this is what he wrote. Happy Monday to you all. Spring is in the air, letting you know as my fans that I'm still holding on to my game with dogged determination, waiting for the dam to burst and for work to start rolling my way before the year is over. Been nearly 3 years without work. Nothing lasts forever. The winter of my discontent is surely at its end, with promise of work as the year comes to an end. Kindly putting my hand on your heart to boost me one more time with any donation to my account in order for me to survive my 11th hour at the gate. Have run out of funds of your kind donation I received in April for only 4 days. Funds I had been receiving were stopped after being promised a job that was never confirmed with me or my agent, and an offer for a place to live. All this hype was never confirmed and had me tossed to the wind with no apology or follow-up. I've been stranded, left broke since beginning of June to fend for myself while I wait for work that was due to shoot before the election. Inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu kabi ngokuhlukemeza ngethemba elingekho namanga alihlaza basuthu labantu labakhona bafike badlalele ngempilo yami ngathi ngiphophayi. Ngicela umcedo mzansi ukuthi umsebenzi ungifise ngiphakame ngiyendawo yokuhlala ngiphephile kuzophela lobuhlungu with your love ukuthi ngibambezele. Hoping my plea finds your life and well, and looking forward to having me back on your screens. I wish you two nothing but the best that life gives back. My account details, I'm going to put the account details at the end of the video, so stay tuned. This is so sad because it's not the first time that we heard that he is broke. It's not. He's counted amongst the celebrities or actors that went broke, and there are those that are off the screens. And I don't know why the actors tend to relax, because once the casting agents, they don't take you, then it's shy for you. Most of the time they tend to rely mostly on acting, which doesn't last for your whole life. It's so unfortunate for some actors, but for some you can see they've been acting since they are young. They were young till now. They even like die actors, but it's not guaranteed, and they don't know that it's not guaranteed. Better to have a backup plan, study or do something, but they don't even, because the money that they get, we heard that it's not a lot of money that you can get from acting sometimes, depending on your role. Sometimes you get just money to, you won't even find some actors, you can get them not they are renting as we speak. A lot of actors, some of them are renting. They don't even own cars. They don't even own houses. So to be counted as those top notch, like the actors that we see on the television, we see those ones, they've got money. You see Jack Mambazo and the likes, those people, they are settled, they are good for life. But then we see these actors that are hired here and there. I think you should see that you are hired not all the time. You should find a backup plan, go to school, go study, go do something. But they don't. They want to stay in that celebrity life and then it's so sad when the person is saying, for the second time I am asking. The last time the fans, I was promised a job, it didn't come. It's so sad. And he's good at what he does. For hopefully he's going to get something to do. I don't know what you guys think about this whole thing, but I just feel sorry for him, and hopefully people are going to come through for him. So for those who want to help, you can find his account details at the end of the video. So you guys stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching.